September to December 2020 cue cards. Describe a program or app on your computer or mobile. You should say what the program or app is, when or where you found it, how you use it, and how you feel about it. Describe a long car journey you went on. You should say where you went, what you did at this place, who you went there with, and explain why you went on that journey by car. Describe a time when you helped someone. You should say whom you helped and why, how you helped this person, what the result was, and explain how you felt about helping this person. Describe an experience when you played an indoor game with others. You should say what you played, who you played with, why you played, how you felt about it. Describe an occasion when you lost something but got it back. You should say what you lost, how you lost it, where you found it, and how you felt about the experience. Describe a most affected polluted city where you have visited. You should say when it was, why it was polluted, and how. Describe a foreign country you want to know more about. You should say which country it is or what culture, where it is, how you know about it, why you want to know more about it. Describe a person in the news that you want to meet. You should say who he or she is, why he was on TV, how do you know about this person, why you want to meet him. A journey you made by public transport. You should say when and where you went, what kind of transport you used, how was your trip, and explain why you chose to use public transportation for this trip. Describe a dance performance you recently watched. You should say where was it, who gave that performance, how you feel, how you enjoy. Describe a family member you spend the most time with. You should say who this person is, what kind of person they are, what do you usually do together, and explain why you spend the most time with them. Describe an interesting animal you know about. You should say what animal it is, how you know about this animal, where they are found, and describe what facts about this animal do you find interesting. Have you ever felt that you have wasted your time? You should say what you did, why you felt it was waste of time. Describe an outdoor sport that you haven't done yet and would like to do in future. You should say what is it, when and where you would do it, what preparations and equipment you would need. Describe a layer activity you do with your family. You should say what it is, when you do it, how you do it, and explain how you feel about it. Describe a time when you first met someone. You should say who was it, where did you meet, when was it, how was your experience. Describe a quiet place. You should say where it is, when you like to go there, what do you do there, why you like to visit there. Describe a comic actor who is popular in your country. You should say who is he or she, what type of person he/she is, how you come to know about him/her, and explain why he or she is popular. Describe a new public building you would like to visit. You should say where it is, what it is like, what do you know about it. Describe something useful you borrowed from someone else. You should say what it was, when you borrowed it, who you borrowed it from, and explain why you borrowed it. Talk about something you enjoyed doing in a group. You should say what was it, with whom you did it, when you did it, how you felt about it. Describe a time when you got lost. You should say when and where it happened, who was there with you, how you felt when you got lost, and explain how you eventually found your way. Describe a person who taught you something important. You should say who the person is, what he or she is like, what he or she taught you, how you felt about him or her. Describe a film that made you think a lot. You should say what the film was about, when and where you watch it, whether you like or dislike it. Describe a city you want to visit. You should say where is it, why do you want to visit it. Describe an old person you know and respect. You should say who he or she is, how do you know this person, what he or she is like, and explain why you respect him or her. Describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. You should say what it was, why you took it, what the result was, how did you felt about it. Describe a place that can be good to relax except home. You should say where this place is, what it is like, what you can do there, and explain why you think it is a good place to relax. Describe a mistake you once made in your life. You should say what mistake it was, how you made this mistake, when it was, and explain how it affected you. Describe a friend who could be a good leader. You should say who is he or she, how you met him or her, do people behave differently when he or she is around, and explain why you think he or she can be a good leader. Describe a large company that you are interested in. You should say which company is it, what it is like, what kind of business it does, how you know about it, how you feel about it, why you have interest in this company. Describe a time that you wore a type of clothes for a special occasion. You should say where you bought the clothes and what other people at the occasion thought of your clothes. Describe a dinner you enjoyed with your friends. You should say when and where you had the dinner, what you had, who you went with, and explain why you enjoyed the dinner. Describe a place full of color. You should say where is it, how you know about it, when you went there, what you did there, explain why you think it is colorful. When was the first time you admired the sky or a beautiful sky you enjoyed seeing? You should say what were you doing, who was with you, what you saw. Describe something you bought recently and you are happy with it. You should say what it was, why you bought it, how do you use it, explain your feelings after the purchase. Describe a conflict you had with one of your colleagues. You should say what was the situation, how did you solve the conflict. Did you ever help your friend? You should say who was he, what kind of help you did, what he felt about it.